Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android 11 head unit for Toyota Camry 2012 to 2017 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. And you can check head unit with good condition. It has a very big screen, shipping box, very big shipping box. Is a special harness and parts. Okay, this is head unit. First, let me introduce the harness set first. You can check this special harness and canvas box. This canvas decoder box. This connect to back of head unit, and you can check this camera adapter. This radio antenna, and this camera adapter, camera input, and also this one, camera adapter, different camera adapter, cam input. Okay, this is speaker and wire power cable. Okay, and this AMP wire, 12 voltage, and GND wire. It's K2 for steering wheel controls. It do not need to connect. Because the steering wheel control will decoded by canvas box. This AUX input, left and right. Okay. And it comes with this video out for headrest, USB adapter. This SIM card slot, and 4G antenna. This GPS antenna and USB and 2 USB cable and external microphone and original USB and camera input and AUX input and video input. RC type AUX input left and right. Okay, and audio out for subwoofer, RC type, and video out left and right, front and rear. Okay, let me show you the video. Let me show the back. You can check the radio antenna. This is 4G antenna, GPS antenna, audio and USB other connection. This power, this fuse. Okay, and let me power with 12 voltage. connect power cable. The head unit will be started up. Okay. Please take out this screw protector before using. Okay, this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special head unit for Toyota Camry. Okay, you can check the color with orange and gray. If here it's very fast response and car information, car type. Light setting and AMP. Okay, this auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's built in the Play Store. You can download the applications from it. Built in the Google Maps. Okay, let me check the settings. You can connect to Wi-Fi. It's built-in Wi-Fi. Okay, connect to Wi-Fi. And let me check the settings. It's built in the SIM card slot. There are SIM card cable adapter for 4G. You can check the BAT device, Android 11 and DDR8GB 128GB memory. You can set the factory setting password, and please make this brake with 0. If not, the brake will, so you can't watch the video. Factory settings. Okay, and let me check the display. SIM style. You can check this SIM style 3. Okay, and SIM style is 4, this 5. And SIM style 6. And SIM style 7. And SIM style 8. Okay, and let me show also the settings. You can check storage, total 128GB, and memory 8GB. But device, you can check the Android volume. 11 system. Okay. and built in the DSP radio. Search the radio station, and DSP amplifier is the sub-out bus. Okay. Okay, if you have any more questions, please visit our website belsee.com, blse.com, to contact to us with our Tesla style screen. Okay, that's all. Thank you.